Okay, so we got the bar in place, and now we're going to proceed to putting these in place. It's just a matter of tightening that till this is all snug, and then proceeding on to the next step. So the bar's in place, the push stops, I guess I'll call them, are in place. Next step is put on the spindle. So here we have the spindle, 1/2-inch nuts. Nuts come off, slip up in place, and then tighten the nuts down. So the first step is to take the sprocket off, and this is a 3/4 inch bolt. So the sprocket comes off so that you can get access to the bolts, to put on the hex key, and to tighten them down. The key falls out when the sprocket's in. I think I'm going to put that sprocket just on like that. If I can get that back on. I'm just going to go the other way. The key has 2 square edges and 2 rounded edges. So the rounded edges goes here, fits in that way, and then the square edges of the key fit in the machined slot of the sprocket. So I'm going to put that on like that until I can get all these keys on. Didn't get my Allen key. So it's a 1/2-inch nut. I don't know what size Allen key it is because I just have a mixed box of Allen keys. And I'm going to do almost tighten one. I'm going to go to the opposite screw and tighten that one. It's like tightening the lug nuts on your car. You don't go around in a clockwise position, you do opposites, just to make sure it tightens down properly. So next up, we're got all the 6 screws tightened, and now we're putting the sprocket on. Sprocket is the 3/4 inch bolt, lock washer, big thick washer, sprocket, and a key. Remember the key I talked about earlier. So you fit the key and the sprocket together, then you slide up the spacer, this thick one, and then put the bolt on. Now we're just going to tighten it down. Tighten this. I'm holding on to the belt, the drive belt, to prevent this from turning. Because if there's a way to lock this, I don't know right away if there is. Okay. I guess next up is putting the bar on. I think I still need a plate. I do need another plate because these 2 plates, I guess, yeah, they match with holes on the big bar. These 2 plates go here, and then the other one, the other end of the business end of the bar goes here, but I need to manufacture a plate. This one didn't come with the bar. It's here. So you see the 2 holes, and then on the other end, 2 holes. So that's what's next.